Stop joint pain naturally. After 60, 5 proven home remedies that work. Imagine waking up in the morning without that familiar stiffness in your knees, no aching shoulders, no pain when you climb the stairs, no need to reach for another pain pill. Sounds impossible after 60, right? Well, not anymore. Because nature has its own pharmacy, powerful, time-tested remedies that can soothe your joints, reduce inflammation, and bring back your mobility without the side effects of harsh medications. If joint pain has become your daily companion, stay with me till the end. You're about to discover 5 natural painkillers that science and tradition both agree can truly make a difference for your joints, especially after 60. 1. Turmeric, the golden healer. Let's start with one of the most ancient and trusted remedies on earth. Turmeric, the golden spice of India. For thousands of years, turmeric has been used in Ayurvedic and traditional medicine to treat everything from wounds to digestive issues. But today, modern science has finally caught up and confirmed what our ancestors always knew. Turmeric fights inflammation like nothing else. The secret lies in a compound called curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory so powerful that researchers compare it to ibuprofen, without the side effects. When you take turmeric regularly, it doesn't just mask pain. It targets the root cause, chronic inflammation in your joints that leads to stiffness and swelling. You can add turmeric powder to your curries, soups, or warm milk. But for therapeutic results, consider curcumin supplements, ideally combined with black pepper extract, piperine, which boosts absorption by up to 2,000%. If you prefer a more soothing ritual, try this. Mix half a teaspoon of turmeric powder in a cup of warm milk. Add a pinch of black pepper and a drizzle of honey. Drink it before bedtime. This golden milk helps your joints recover overnight, while calming your body and improving sleep. 2 things vital for anyone dealing with chronic pain. Turmeric is not just a spice. It's a golden key to unlocking a life with less pain and more movement. 2. Ginger, the natural pain blocker. Now let's talk about another kitchen hero that deserves your attention. Ginger. At first glance, it's just a knobby root, but inside it's packed with powerful compounds called gingerols and shogols, which act like nature's version of painkillers. These compounds block inflammatory pathways in your body, much like non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, or NSAIDs, but without damaging your stomach lining or kidneys. In a 2014 clinical study, people with osteoarthritis who took ginger extract reported significant pain reduction and improved mobility within weeks. So, how can you use it? There are 3 simple ways. 1. Ginger tea. Slice a few fresh pieces of ginger. Boil them in water for 10 minutes, and add honey and lemon. Sip it daily to ease joint stiffness and support digestion. 2. Ginger compress. Soak a cloth in warm ginger tea and apply it to sore joints. The warmth and ginger's active oils penetrate deep into tissues, providing instant relief. 3. Ginger supplements. If you want a more potent dose, look for standardized ginger extracts, often labeled Zingiber officinale, available in capsule form. And here's a bonus. Ginger not only reduces inflammation but also improves blood flow, which helps deliver nutrients and oxygen to your joints. When you combine turmeric and ginger in your diet, say in a tea or a curry, you create a powerful anti-inflammatory duo that works in harmony. 3. Omega-3 fatty acids, the lubricant for your joints. If your joints feel dry, stiff, and creaky like old hinges that need oil, this next remedy is exactly what you need. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil, flax seeds, and walnuts are like the natural lubricant your joints have been craving. As we age, inflammation tends to rise while our natural production of joint lubricating compounds declines. Omega-3s work to restore that balance by reducing inflammatory chemicals in the body and keeping cartilage healthy and flexible. Several studies have shown that people who consume omega-3 rich foods or supplements experience reduced joint stiffness, less morning pain, better range of motion. The best dietary sources include salmon, mackerel, sardines, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. If you prefer supplements, go for high-quality fish oil or algae-based omega-3 capsules, especially if you're vegetarian. Look for one that contains at least 1,000 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA per serving. Here's a pro tip. Omega-3s work best when you also reduce omega-6 fats, like those found in processed oils, chips, and fried foods, since they promote inflammation.